Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be fun. It's gonna be different. I haven't done one of these, but I love watching these, so I'm ready to share all my goodies with you guys. It's gonna include books, beauty products, skincare, hair. I really wanted to share some of these things because that's just products that I've been loving, samples that I get, and just little things that I feel like everybody should get their hands on. But as I was saying, let's get to it because I want to share with you guys, as you can see by my title, my March favorites. Even though it's like the end of March, but it's not yet, so this still counts. And hopefully I'll be good and consistent and post some April favorites because I already have things. There were so many things I wanted to share with you guys, but I figured I didn't want to make this video too long and I just want to get my hands on, share with you guys what I really like for the past few weeks. So enough rambling on, and let me, what the hell is wrong with me? Oh my goodness, I get so tongue-tied. Okay, let's stop talking and let me do more showing. Okay, so one of the first products, this is actually like finite, is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture. So it serves like a dry shampoo, or like when you get right out of the shower and you want those like beachy waves as your hair gets dry. This is like the perfect product. I've been using it mostly as dry shampoo because my hair gets oily really quickly, but it smells really good too. I love this. And yeah, so hopefully I would definitely recommend this if you definitely like that volumized thing here. My hair gets really flat from the top, so I really like to just like pick up strands and like spray it right at the bottom and add that like little bit of poof in the top, and this does the job. I don't know if you guys, I really had a hard time autofocusing before this video started, so, but I will link the stuff down below so that you guys can purchase these if you want to. The next one, I actually had already finished one of these, but I had to get my hands on another one because I also got this in one of my play boxes, and it's the Urban Decay Quick Fix. It's a Hydra Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray. And I love this because I like the dewiness, the hydrated, moisturized type of look. I don't really like the dry mattifying. That's just my personal preference. So this really, also it really wakes me up too if in the morning I'm just like, hello, good morning. I don't know why I just said that. Sorry guys. But this really is really nice. It really hydrates the face before you put on your makeup. So I really like this. I really recommend this to a lot of people who prefer more of a dewy and more of a like nice moisturized priming before their makeup. This is definitely a good product. If you guys have a wax melt, I would definitely, right now my favorite scent is called, I actually had to take this off because I wanted to turn it on today, but I was like, you know what, I need to show them this because this smells wonderful. If you're into like the pine tree kind of smells, this one's called Cascading. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm not sure. Cascading Snowberry. It's alright. It's the green one, and this smells super good. I actually wasn't feeling it at first. When I first smelled it, I was like, it's a little too strong for me. But my room has been smelling deliciously forestly, if that's a thing. But I just made it a thing if it's not a thing. Yeah. So this is my planner. I love this. I take it everywhere with me, but I get a little bit more fun with it. I actually just start just yeah, just slapping on some stickers. Like this is my all-time favorite. And yeah. Okay, another beauty product that is also not just a March. I probably have been using this since I got it for my birthday, which is in September. But I got this one last year. Thank you, Betsy. I'm obsessed with the smell of this, and I'm pretty sure everybody is. Whoever has a Too Faced Peach product. Ugh. So good. I'm a colors girl for sure, all the way. I love bold colors. I love buying everything that just seems like nobody would wear it. I'm just that type of girl. So when I got this palette, it was essential just because it has all the natural colors, all the burgundy, all the camel colors, brown colors that you pretty much use every day. And it's true, I've just been like, this is my go-to palette. Like anywhere that I have, sorry if that's loud, yeah, I keep on doing that. If you're traveling or just a day thing and you just need your one palette to take, this is my go-to palette. Like this has the colors that I need, the ones that I will use when I don't have time to get all creative and fancy and go all the way. And it's the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. So my face, I'd probably have to say, is combination, but it gets really dry around the cheekbones and the nose, so I always am packing on moisturizers all the time. Moisturizers are my best friend. So I got this in my plate also. It's a sample. It's called Honey Drop Pharmacy. I think that's the brand. Pharmacy. Huh. That's interesting. I just noticed that. But it's a hydrating moisturizer, but it's really good. It's I don't even know how to explain it. It's just super soft. And the thing is, you don't even need that much. You just need like maybe 2 fingers of, you just pat it on the whole face and instantly it feels very moisturized. I love this product. I only got the sample size this month, but I'm definitely gonna probably invest in the full size because so far I've only been, the moisturizer I've been using is more of a cream lotion, the Aveeno. I think it's called the Dry Calming one. But I'm definitely gonna use this one for sure. Products is this, I literally just tried it maybe a week ago, but it's definitely become one of my favorites really quick. I don't normally use lip pencils except for when I use bold colors, as you might have noticed in my other videos. So this is a neutral type of lip pencil by, I don't know if I pronounced their brand name wrong, so I apologize if I don't. Buxom. I'm gonna have to look that up. And this is in the shade Hush Hush. So I'm actually wearing it right now with Kylie Jenner's liquid lipstick Smile. So I have those mixed together, but I really love this. I don't know, it just goes on really smooth. It makes my lips look really nice and plump. I am fascinated by it because most natural colors don't really work for me in the sense of lip pencils at all. I know that's weird. I'm weird. I'm just a weird person. But this is, yeah, I definitely can see myself just going to these a lot more. But anyways, I think this is the last beauty product I have before I show you guys one more. Nexxus hair. So this one is the Algenist Reveal Luminizing Drops. I actually got this one. I love bargains. I love having the good stuff and not paying the full price for it. That does not mean you... Never mind. So this one I got at TJ Maxx for $10, and I believe if you get it in Sephora or in Ulta, they cost $39.99 if I'm not mistaken. But I got mine in the shade Champagne. Freaking adore this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually the one that I'm wearing right now. I don't know, because this camera honestly sucks. It doesn't do its justice. And I love this because honestly, you do not need to like, you just need like 2 drops on each cheek, and by 2 drops I mean a tap. Like just tap kiss your cheek, because that's it. That's all you need, trust me. Yeah, if you want to keep it simple, then 1 tap. 1 tap, 2 tap, tap it, tap it. Last but not least, actually it is the last. I don't even know how to explain this, but it's something that it's been in my childhood for a while, and I did not start appreciating it until now, which I don't even know what to call this. I want to say like a double comb, I don't know, I don't know. I'm gonna link it down below though, and I'm gonna end up putting what it's called, because I remember just Googling double comb and they appeared, and I didn't even really acknowledge what it was called. But I love these because I love putting my hair in buns. I love putting my hair in my space buns as well, and it just adds. So when you put your hair up, it's just, this goes at the bottom if you want to. You can use this in so many ways. There's so many different ways. If you guys want me to do a video on the different ways that you can use these hair double comb thingies, I'm gonna find out the name. I'm gonna figure it out. I know I am. But if you want me to do a video on how to get creative with these, definitely can. I got black just because my hair is black, but it comes in multiple colors. Blue, purple, yellow, all these different types of things. It's honestly like beautiful, a beautiful like accessory. There we go. A beautiful accessory to your hair whenever you're doing a simple updo, or even when you just wanna like, you're running out of your house and yeah, see? Okay, well, definitely needs to like get combed and whatever, but it's just really pretty to add. I think it adds a lot to your hairstyle. Like I said, been there since my childhood. I didn't start appreciating it till now. Love these things. I really am trying to use these a lot more. I'm loving them with my updos. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make it different and share a little bit more of the products that I like. Comment any of your favorite March products for any future ideas as well. I'm actually really liking this video, so I'm probably going to do more of these. I can't wait for April favorites, and I can't wait to share that with you guys, and we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys for next video.